I ain't ready yet. Wait, let me fix my hair.
I feel like artists have different eras of their life.
I'm in my bad bitch era. Like, I want to appeal to the bad bitches. Like,
in honor of Valentine's Day, we're gonna do a DIY photo shoot. I have an old ass blonde wig and I have a red outfit, but the outfit has some complications to it, so we're just gonna see how this looks. And yeah, I'm probably not gonna be talking too much, but yeah,
I'm not gonna cry.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I run away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm burning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. And no, I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying.
alright, so it's not perfect. It's not perfect at all. But I just wanted to put the wig on my head and I can edit it out or whatever. Because as you can see, like, it's kind of lifting up right here or whatever. But it's not perfect. That's fine. I'm gonna put some curls in it and then I'm gonna come back and we'll do the makeup.
How many people were scared? Me too. I was really, really scared.
But you got that deep for me. Real love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching, feeding. I know you want it, steaming. I know you need it, drug love. You want it on you, don't I know? You need love, I need some too. Do you want this like it wants you? Know that booty gon' do what it want to. Can't hit it one time, look a boo. I know you see this red on me. Now come and get hot. 20, 40, 80 out the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. Then we right back. Call me when you wanna get hot. 20 man turn with the racks. IVP on my bag, double G's on my dash. Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. When you wanna get, well, you can't get no higher than this. No, 'cause love don't get no higher than this.
I'm probably gonna set up like the backdrop on this wall. It's just white. It's gonna look like super cutesy, you know. Yeah.
fuck all that, let's get to it. What did Shawty say? She stuck on that dick on the plane and I just call her alien. I just went hunting, I found me a rabbit, I picked out the carrot, picked out the key. I'm just tired of smoking cushion, I need someone to walk out of Cali. I got a white bitch and she give me the bacon, but her name is Sorry. I pick I don't play with her. She bet I might stay with her. Stack it up like a Lego, yeah.
Got a geezer on my beeper, he paid for the reefer. Watch out for your hoe, watch out for your bitch. I like getting fly, I like getting rich.
So the pictures came out bomb as fuck. Like, they came out so freaking good. And I'll show y'all. This is exhibit A, exhibit B, exhibit C, exhibit D. You know what I'm saying? These pictures came out so fucking good. And the apps that I used to like edit it and stuff was this app called Prequel and PixArt. Love those apps down. You can use it for free, but if you want to like remove stuff and do all the extra stuff, you will have to pay for it. It's like $13 for PixArt, I believe. Yeah, PixArt is like $13 if you want to pay for it. You don't have to pay for it, but that's neither here or there. But yeah, these Tyler pictures came out. They're so cute. And yeah, if y'all like videos like this, let me know. Like, and I'll show y'all how I edit exactly. But I just thought like the concept of getting ready for Valentine's DIY photo shoot was cute. So that's what I did. And yeah, until next time, bye-bye.